All right. Welcome and thank you for taking the time to demo our group project that has been in development these last few weeks. Our site is designed for people of all ages to come and spread their ideas on the topic of movies. I'm a representative from Team Dog and would like to walk through a few basic tasks with you so we can get a look on how our website feels from a user's perspective. These tasks are not meant to discourage or cause any distaste between us. They are meant to get feedback from a user so that we can use that feedback to make our site better than ever before. Any thoughts, comments, or complaints that arise during these tasks are welcome and encouraged. So the first task I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you attempt to sell an item from the market tab and then check the user statistics of a rated movie. You can go ahead. All right. Any comments or any problems you had with that?
Oh, no, not any problems. The only thing I would update is the ability to actually comment on your item possibly, but I feel like, the setup is perfectly fine. It's comprehensible and everything is able to be uploaded.
All right. All right, your next task, I'm gonna ask you to post something in one of the community pages and then just attempt to reply or edit the content that you put in there.
Post this, send reply. Watching TV, confirm.
Finish the food a week ago. Then write the
Post,
task.
see you can see it, myself, everyone,
And then
friends,
it threw me in
confirm,
there
deny,
for 4 days to figure out.
confirm, also reply. This is definitely set up a lot better than I thought it would be. You're able to easily reply to people and easily post updates. You're also able to change who's able to see this post. I would say this is actually perfectly set up the way I would say for like some sort of social platform like movie share.
I got an error and I was like, fuck.
Okay, your next task, I'm gonna ask you to accept a friend invitation and send a message to one of your friends.
No, 1 and 2.
So message user.
Cruising along with microeconomics. I'm not learning anything. And I walked in that.
Yep, easily can type to people, easily messaging. The message box is nice. You're able to type and send messages easily to different users. The one thing I would say is possibly when you go from the pending to your friend added tab, when you go to message someone, have it be kind of a little bit more uniform. Like color coordination is good, or also pictures. I feel like it is a good setup. It's just it could possibly be a slight bit easier.
All right. All right, the next task I'm gonna have you try is to change your profile picture in your bio.
Profile picture in my bio. All right, I'm gonna add the profile. I'm going to type move, update your bio. You also can change your photo. Upload device. That was actually very easily set up. Not gonna lie, that's probably the easiest bio change I've had on any sort of social media platform or platform on the internet.
All right, the last thing I'm gonna ask you to do is just block another user.
Okay. User. Blocked. Block. Check block users. Confirm. Block the now. Blocked.
Any comments, questions, any complaints about any of these tasks that I have presented to you?
The only thing with the when you block a friend, it seems as if it's a little more complicated. Instead of having to go to your friend's task, there should possibly be like a tab with users, and you could just immediately block instead of having to go to friends list. Because what if you want to block someone that's not your friend? But besides that, I think it's a very easily format, set it up, and is able to be used within reach. It's just possibility of making it easier access. But overall, everything's functioning and working right. I would just say the possibility of like easily accessing stuff or like, easily being able to move from one thing to another.
Okay.
Besides that, everything looks good and is applicable for any age range, basically.
Thank you for your time. Appreciate your feedback.